if you want to make a PDF file on your iPhone 17, here's what you need to do. So first of all, I'm going to use Photos app as an example. Over here, we're going to choose photos that we wish to include in the PDF. So we're going to tap on Select in the upper right corner, and then choose photos that should be in the PDF. Let's say, let me actually try again. We're going to choose this photo over here and this one, and perhaps this screenshot. And now we're going to tap on this share button that we have in the bottom left corner. Next, you want to scroll down and choose print. There we go. After that, you should be able to, there we go, you should be able to press the same button again, but this time in the upper right corner. We also have a preview, of course, of pages. We can also choose copies, but we can just tap on this button, and we are creating the PDF file. After that, you want to choose to save to files, for example. You can choose the location where you want to save it. So let's say I'm going to save it on the iCloud drive. Let's save it. And now if we go to the Files app, we should be able to find it over here. There we go. Here we have our PDF file. And of course, you can actually create a PDF file out of anything. You can also, for example, go to the Notes app as well. And the method is pretty similar. So if I go, let's say, to this over here, to this note, I can use the same icon again in the upper right corner. And over here, you should be able to actually tap on More, and we can choose Print. And the rest is the same. We can choose the same icon in the upper right corner again, and we can choose to save to files. Choose location and confirm that you want to save over there. And if we go to files, we should be able to find it again. There we go. We have our PDF file in here. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.